my name is Kat.
And my name is Destiny
In Wonderland Family. Today we're gonna go in the pool. So, ito po yung house namin. Yes, and then so, bye! 3. Hi guys! Andito na kami sa pool. So, let's go.
Guys, so now
Tingnan.
mainit po at malamig po yung water.
Yeah. Yan, pool po namin to.
Meron naman po.
So, doon naman po tayo sa mga 3 feet.
Oh my gosh! Maano lang ba? Abot ko po yung ilan.
Let's go in the 3 feet. So, yan. So, masyado pong hindi pa po siya naaayos. Ito po siya. Madami pong froggy. Yes. So, doon naman po tayo sa adult swimming pool.
Yes, dun po sa adult swimming pool. Meron po dong isang pool. Nasa isang pool may 4 feet, 6 feet, at 5 feet.
Let's go in there. Oh, no.
Ngayon po ay magduduyan.
Let's swing. Go
Oh
ahead.
my gosh, I'm so scared.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh! Wait, can we stop at the swing? I'm so scared.
So happy. Dali. Ayusin mo. Okay, so wait guys.